These 3 homemade serums can completely change your skin, and most people are using them the wrong way. I tested them myself, and honestly, I didn't expect results like this. If your skin looks dull, dry, or tired, watch this till the end, because serum number 2 gives that glass skin effect, and almost no one uses it correctly. Number 1. 24K Gold Glow Serum. This one is for instant brightness. Take 2 tablespoons aloe vera gel. Soak 4 to 5 saffron strands in rose water. Now add 1 vitamin E capsule and 2 drops of orange essential oil. Optional. Mix everything well. Apply a thin layer on clean skin. This helps reduce dullness instantly and gives your skin a soft, golden glow. Now number 2, and this is the most important one. Rice Hydration Serum. This is what gives you smooth, plump, glass-like skin. Take 2 tablespoons concentrated rice water. Add 1 teaspoon glycerin, 1 tablespoon rose water, and 1 teaspoon flaxseed gel. Mix it properly. Apply this on slightly damp skin. And don't skip this step, because this locks hydration inside your skin and makes it look bouncy, smooth, and naturally glowing. Now number 3. Coffee Caffeine Serum. Best for dark circles and tired-looking skin. Take 1 tablespoon coffee-infused almond oil. Add ½ teaspoon castor oil and 2 vitamin E capsules. Mix it well. Apply gently under your eyes. This improves blood circulation, reduces puffiness, and helps your under eyes look fresher over time. Now here's the real thing. These are not instant miracles. But if you stay consistent, you will actually notice the difference in the mirror. Your skin will look brighter, more hydrated, and healthier overall. Just remember, always do a patch test, and use clean ingredients for best results. So tell me, which serum are you trying first? 1, 2, or 3? And if you want more real skincare, like, share, and subscribe.